I traveled to Berlin. He walked home. We went to the cinema. You rode a bike. They ran to the park. He took the bus. She traveled by train. We hiked through the forest. You walked over the bridge. They drove to the sea. I strolled through the city. You ran fast. He rushed into the apartment. We climbed up the mountain. You got on the train. I woke up early. You fell asleep late. He became tired. She got sick. We remained friends. You got older. I became nervous. You became happy. He became very famous. She got pregnant. You got angry. He became sad. I fell into bed. You jumped into the lake. He fell off the ladder. She crashed to the ground. We climbed the tree. You jumped into the river. She fell into the puddle. He got on the bus. You fell off the roof. I came home. You stayed in the countryside. He didn't go to school. She sat on the chair. We went home early. You walked in the wrong direction. They stood at the traffic light. We got out of bed. You fell asleep early. They woke up late. You came to the party. He flew to Germany. She moved to a new city. You arrived on time. It is cold. It is raining. The sun is shining. It is late. I am sorry. I am fine. Once upon a time. There are many possibilities. It is important. It is dangerous. It tastes delicious. It was beautiful. It is not so easy. It is warm. It takes a long time. It is quiet. It is too late. I like it. It is hot outside. It doesn't work. It is loud. It is raining heavily. It has changed. It is a problem. It is wonderful. It is expensive. It is difficult. It will get better soon. There's no water. Everything is fine. It was a misunderstanding. There was an accident. It looks good. It is a gift. It is fun. It is the beginning. It is my fault. It was a nightmare. It was a success. It is a nice feeling. There is nothing to do. It rains often here. It was a mistake. There's no reason to worry. It's fine. There is a solution. It doesn't make sense. It is the best way. There is much to do. It is too loud here. There are no problems. It is no surprise. It is getting better and better. It is too dangerous. It is time to go. There are many sights to see. It is hard to explain. It is finally finished. There are no excuses. It is a challenge. It was a lot of fun. There is no more space. It is a good idea. There were many people there. It was the worst day. It is too far. There are many things to learn. It is really a shame. It is a secret. It is not allowed. It is a good opportunity. There is no turning back. It was very important. It is too difficult. It hurts. It is like a dream. Do you turn off the light? She exercises every morning. She takes a break. We make dinner. You do your work well. They always make noise. I take a trip to Germany. What are you doing right now? He is training as a mechanic. She does yoga. We take a walk in the park. You make the bed. They go on vacation by the sea. I do the dishes. Open the window. He makes music. She takes pictures of the landscape. We throw a party. You close the door. They do their tax return. I bake a cake. Do you turn on the TV? He cleans the car. She worries. We do the shopping. You work out at the gym. They go hiking. I make a coffee. Do you turn on the radio? He does an internship. She is on a diet. We have a picnic. You make jokes. They make noise in class. Do you tie your shoes? She is on vacation in Spain. You do your tasks on time. I make a mistake. Please turn off the light. He takes notes. He takes a nap. We go on a trip. You give a presentation. They do house cleaning. I do my nails. Do you exercise? We throw a surprise party. You take great pictures. They make noise in the library. I am thinking. Are you joining in? He does his homework quickly. She gets ready for school. We make a list. You make your beds neatly. They do nonsense. I do yoga in the morning. Turn off your phone. He enjoys exercising. She goes on a bike tour. We have a new experience. You make a campfire. I close the window. Are you going on vacation in Italy? He makes himself some tea. She takes a break from studying. We turn on the heating. I clean my room. He packs his backpack. She makes breakfast. We have a barbecue party. You take a test. They act silly. I make a doctor's appointment. Please close the book. He makes a sketch. We make music together. You build a snowman. They do a puzzle. Do your task carefully. He travels around the world. She writes a shopping list. We make a new strategy. You throw a birthday party. They take a selfie. I prepare a surprise. I'll give you my cell phone. He gives his mother flowers. I'll give him a chance. The teacher gives us many tasks. I give my sister a gift. He gives the dog water. We give the cat milk. I give the book to my father. She gave her friend a gift. We tipped the waiter. I gave my homework to the teacher. I gave him my address. Can you please give me your phone number? Who can give me an answer? Can you give him the truth? Please give me the bill. Please give me the key. I'm in a hurry. We gave the police all the information. She gave the child a glass of milk. I gave my brother my old bike. I gave her my phone number, but she didn't call. We gave the seller the money and went home. He gave the dog a bone. He gave his friend a lot of help. If she asked me, I would help her immediately. Can you please give me salt? She gives her sister a hug. I give you permission to go to the movies. Please give him the remote control. The company gives its employees many benefits. Can you give me the answer? He gave his friend a book. We gave our teacher flowers. She gave me hope back. The parents give the children many presents. The waiter gave us the food very quickly. She gave me the address of her house. She gave me an honest opinion. Give the cat some food. Please be careful what you say. He always gives me the best advice. Give the child more freedom. I give you my heart. Please take care of it. Please give me your phone number. He often gives his friends good advice. Don't give up so easily. She gave her father a glass of water. I gave the waiter a good tip. He gave me the key to the house. I gave him a little gift. He gave his laptop to his sister. I gave you all my love. Please give me today's newspaper. The company gives its employees Christmas bonuses. I give you my promise to be on time. We give the homeless warm clothes. Give patients the necessary medications. He gave his dog a new ball to play with. Could you please give me the information? Please give me your contact details. Can you please give me a receipt? Do not give the dog anything from the table. Give the plants enough water, but not too much.